Hi guys and welcome to another video. So let's continue to talk about Pocketsphinx, okay? So in this video we're gonna talk about the module. So I'm on the PyPy website of the package. As you can see, we have a comment right here. You could just copy this and paste on the command prompt or the terminal, and you'll be installing Pocketsphinx. But let's talk about how to use it, okay? So on the PyPy page, there's a lot of information about how to use it. I'm gonna execute this code for you guys to see how it works. So I'm gonna go on and open up the idle IDE, which comes with Python. Okay, so I'm gonna drag over here. Okay, so this is the idle IDE. Let's just copy and paste this code right here. As you guys can see, let's just do that. I'm gonna I think I need to indent this. Yeah, I think that will work. Let's see. Yeah, I have a syntax error right there. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Johnny, I guess, to write the code, which I think would be better. Okay, so just a second. So this is the one of my favorite IDEs to write Python code. So I'm gonna paste and I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it on. Let me just create another folder right here. SR. I'm gonna save as main.py. So this is the code that we have. Okay. So in the first line, we are importing the module, the function live speech, which works with the default files. Okay, I'm gonna talk about this file later actually. So let's click on execute. And it is recognizing my voice already. So if I say hello, 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 how are you? How are you? How are you? Thanks for asking. Trying to understand how this works. I am trying to understand how this works. As you guys can see, the precision or the accuracy is not that good. Okay, it's not something that is mind-blowing precision. There's a lot of factors that contribute to that. Okay, so let me just talk about the files that I've just mentioned before. These files are located on the folder that we just installed, Python. I think. Let me see if it is here. Let's see. Okay, we have these files. Okay, so you guys need to come to the Python folder, which is program files, Python 3.5 in my case. But if you guys use Python 3.6 or 2.7, that would be located right there. And in this file we have the data, okay, which is just a example file, and we have the model. The model is the important part because a Pocketsphinx model actually consists of three files, okay, which is the language model, which is this file, which is the largest file, which is 25.8 megabytes. The language model maps the features of the language, such as the probability distribution of how we speak, okay? So this file is a dictionary which contains the words and its pronunciation. As you guys can see, we have this amount of words. Let me see, is actually 134,723 words, which is a lot of words. So these are all the words that we can speak or that we can recognize. And Pocketsphinx work with continuous speech recognition, which means that we say words, it will recognize them. Okay, as you guys can see, the search space is massive. It's a lot of words that it has to search for, and the recognition is almost real time. Let's execute again. The recognition is almost real time. Um, Hello. Speech recognition. Speech synthesis. Speech synthesis. Speech synthesis. Deep learning. Deep learning. Hidden Markov models. Hidden Markov. Okay, it's a very hard word to understand. It's not like the Gogo, which uses like I don't know, like a million examples. Oh, something like that. But as you guys can see, the accuracy is not that good. But what I could do though to improve the accuracy is to train a model with my own voice, which will be a model which is dependent of speaker, and that will eventually increase the accuracy a lot. So yeah, I think you guys, if you have any doubts on how to use this, you guys can comment down below. Thanks for watching this video again, and see you guys next time.